Here I've got DOOGEE S50 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and choose Date and Time. It's the first tab under System, and as you can see you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off by tapping on automatic date and time, and you can switch it off by tapping on off and then just select date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, just click here and then pick the time zone from the following list. This is it. You can also change the format of your clock, so if you would like to use 24-hour format clock, just click here. And also the date format is to change, just click on choose date format and now pick the one that you like the most. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change date and time in your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, you just have to tap on this switcher to have automatic time zone and then pick either GPS or network provided time to have date and time automatically set up. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.